What's up, y'all? Back with another video. Today just gonna be an update, what I'm thinking about the crypto market, and just how things are going in general. So right now, last night Ethereum had a pump. It's about around 330 now, 336. Bitcoin's back down around 4,000, 4,026 right now. And Neo is around 34. Dash and also Monero had some pumps over the weekend, about some news. I think Dash was actually pumped on Friday to above 300, and now it's back down to around 280. And Monero's now around 82 on news that it's going to be released on BitThumb, or one of those Korean exchanges, is what I hear. Just also updating you guys on, well, today's pretty much overall a red day other than a few coins. So I think it's another good day to be buying in for the next pump. So updating you on my last video, which were the price prediction for Tenx, and also, I'm not sure in that video if I mentioned OMG. But right now, Tenx has dropped to around 374. I think when I bought it, it was around 440 or 420. In that video, I did say it probably would drop a little bit more before it pumps, but I was willing to get in. Also bought on the way down over the weekend, even when it got down around 340 or 350, 330, I mean. So holding those still right now, waiting for the pump in the 10x Pay Slack group. So they have released the web app within the last hour or so, from the time when I'm recording this. I'm still trying to figure out if I can get in, because it's asked me for a US phone number. A international phone number, so it's not letting me actually use the app as of right now. Maybe I'll figure something out to actually download it, but right now I don't have the app. But it is available now, and people are downloading it. They're saying it's working. There are now a few small bugs, but I am still expecting that pump to come within the next day or two. Once it gets, the news spreads that the Tenx app is working, people get word of it. Maybe this Ethereum pump slows down a little bit. I think hopefully we'll see a pump with Tenx Pay. Yeah, so they're supposedly releasing the iPhone iOS app testing to a small group today. That's supposed to go on for another 7 days, and then it'll be released on the iOS App Store. So I'm still holding. It hasn't pumped. I thought it might take off a little bit yesterday. Had a quick breakout, but then it seemed to slow down. So I think we may see it increase for the next couple days. If it doesn't, I'll even hold through the iOS release next week, and hopefully it'll do at least pump then. So if it doesn't, that'll be a lesson learned. We can't always rely on these releases and things like that to increase the price, but if it does, it'll be another example of how we can make some big short-term games, making some gambles on these things kind of happening. Also, the other coin I spoke about, or I have been speaking about, is OMG. So they released a Twitter post or something saying they were meeting with the Central Bank of Thailand, discussing their face pay technology. So it was an app that was developed in conjunction with OMG by some university over there in Thailand, I believe. So as they roll that out, it looks like there was also a Twitter picture of them holding a skateboard up with the OMG logo and also the Apple logo on it. So that leads me to assume that OMG may be working with Apple with the new facial recognition technology that's supposedly coming for the iPhone 8. So if you just Google that, just Google those few things, OMG, Central Bank of Thailand Face Pay, you'll see those announcements there. And then you can also see the photo on the OMG Twitter page and of them holding the skateboard up with the Apple and OMG logo, which I don't think is an accident. Then also just research the iPhone 8 and facial recognition technology. So this may be a huge indication of what OMG has planned. I'm holding a significant amount of my trading portfolio in OMG now, waiting for maybe an official announcement. That picture where they're holding the skateboard up did come with some text that said news coming soon. So I'm gonna hold until one of these two breaks out. Holding this, pretty much the majority of my trading portfolio in these coins right now, and we'll see how it goes. That's pretty much it. OMG and Tenx Pay is what I'm riding with for now. I'm at least gonna hold those out for a couple weeks with Tenx and OMG. Hopefully until at least until we get this announcement, and then I'll maybe see what else is on the horizon. Neo still down around 35 and 35 right now. Had a crazy run up, so it's consolidating. Hopefully it'll stay above that $30 mark, and then we can prepare for hopefully when this Red Pulse ICO is in full swing. Hopefully it'll bring the price up a little bit more. Have to look into that actually and see when it's supposedly upcoming. But that's pretty much it for my crypto review today. We'll see how it goes. If you guys appreciate the content, if you are able to make anything off what I said, I appreciate a like. Hit that like button if it's something you appreciate. Also subscribe if you can. As always, appreciate y'all watching the video, and you keep buying that crypto.